Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency price from the 4 hours time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for each time frame. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is April 25th, Tuesday. We have lots of bank holidays. New Zealand bank holiday, Australian bank holiday and Euro bank holiday, which means that we'll have lower volatility in the Forex market for today. And at 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pair, followed by a medium impacting news. So we can expect little bit of volatility around 7:30 p.m. during the US news outcome. Let us begin with our gold analysis. So I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and when we look at the past resistance and support level, this area between 2071 to 2040 is still acting as a very strong resistance zone or a supply zone. From this level we have noticed a price action to be trending on the bearish side, but when we notice this support level, which is around 1973, this is going acting as a very strong support for the current price action, because we have noticed a price action to retest this support level. Why? And still we are noticing it to hold very strong. Currently the price action is in a bullish side retracement, but again has to break this resistance level of 2013 in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement, which means that it will be forming a double bottom pattern, and the confirmation on the formation of the double bottom pattern will come once it breaks the next level of double bottom pattern, which is going to be around 2013. Previously when we noticed the price action, it was in a very nice bearish trend making lower low, but after testing the support level of 1973, we have noticed the price action to be moving on a sideways momentum. It has to break either on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to make a directional momentum in 4 hours time frame. So the current support is going to be around 1973 in 4 hours time frame, and once this support level is reached, next level of support is going to be around 1933, and on the bullish side the immediate resistance is going to be around 2013. Once this resistance level is reached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2042, 2071, which is going to be a very strong resistance zone from the daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I'm connecting the highs of the past price action, which is acting as a resistance line, and connecting the lows of the past price action. So based on this support line and the resistance line, it is very clear that previously the price action was in a bearish trend, and after testing this support level of 1973, we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum, and currently it is in a bullish side retracement, but still this previous resistance line from the hourly time frame will be acting as a very strong resistance line for the current price action also. So wait for the price action to break this support level of 1973 in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame, because the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend. And if you are expecting to trade on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 2013 in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in hourly time frame. The values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support level for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between a support level of 1992 and resistance level of 1997, and once this resistance level of 1997 is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2003, and resistance zone between 2009 to 2015. This is the resistance zone, because we have noticed a price action to test this resistance zone several times and to fall on the bearish side retracement in hourly time frame. So if the price action breaches this resistance zone, can get the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the current support level of 1992, next level of support is going to be around 1986, 1980, and support zone between 1973 to 1970. Again, this zone has also acted as a very strong support zone in the past price action, where we have noticed the weeks of the price action to test this support zone and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And once this support zone is breached, we can expect the current bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action for 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame, and from the higher time frame price action, we know that zone between 2015 to 2009 is acting as a very strong resistance zone, and this zone between 1970 to 1973 is acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action. And the overall trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. Within this bearish trend, we are noticing the price action to be trending on the bullish side retracement. So the values within the black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. And the price action is currently trading between the support level of 1991 and resistance level of 1997. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1997, next level of resistance is going to be around 2004, and the resistance zone between 2009 to 2015. And currently we have noticed a price action to form a double bottom pattern and to retrace back on the bullish side retracement. We can expect the price action to find resistance around the resistance zone between 2015 to 2019, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a fresh bullish trend to start in 30 minutes time frame also. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the current support level of 1991 and starts a bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1987, 1980, and support zone between 1973 to 1970. This zone has acted as a support level for the double bottom pattern, and only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a fresh bearish trend to start in 30 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the higher time frame resistance zone and support zone between 1973 to 1970. Within this, it has made a double bottom pattern, and we are noticing it to trend on the bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.